Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your notebook of GK. Today we will start work in notebook of GK. Today our topic is cleanliness. Before starting exercise number 1, fill in the blanks, I am going to tell you what is cleanliness. Cleanliness of our body and surrounding is very important. We must take good care of our body and keep the all parts of our body clean. To remain healthy and happy, we must keep our body clean. We must keep our body clean. Healthy mind is in healthy body. And unclean body can make us sick. This is how you can follow, you can keep and you can keep yourself clean. This is how you can keep yourself clean. First of all, you will have to get up early in the morning. You will have to wash your hands and brush your teeth. After brushing your teeth, you have to take a good bath every day. Wear neat and clean clothes. You have to keep your nose clean. You have to cut your nails and hair daily. You have to comb your hair. You have to drink clean water. It is very necessary to keep us clean. Okay students, let's start. Fill in the blanks of lesson cleanliness. Our first fill in the blank is dash is a part of our religion. Which thing is a part of our religion? Our religion is Islam, which is a part of our religion. What is it written here? Cleanliness. You will have to write here, cleanliness is a part of our religion. Number 2 is dirty people are dashed by everyone. Dirty people mean people who don't look clean, people who don't follow the things that keep us clean. Dirty people are dashed by everyone. Do you like dirty people or dislike dirty people? We will write here dirty people are disliked, disliked. You will write here disliked, disliked by everyone. Number 3 is germs are dash for us. Germs are dash for us. First of all, you will have to know about what are germs. What are germs? Germs are very small living things that cause diseases. Germs are very small living things that cause diseases. How can we keep ourselves clean? We can keep ourselves clean by taking a bath, brushing our teeth, washing hands. So we will write here, germs are dash for us. Germs are small living things that cause diseases. We can't see germs. Germs are dash for us. So you will have to write here, harmful. Harmful, HARM, harm, FUL, full, HARM, harm, FUL, full. So germs are very small living things that cause diseases. Germs can make us ill. Next one is number 4. We should keep our home, schools and surrounding. We will have to keep these things, home, schools and surrounding, clean, 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 clean. So we have to keep our homes in which we live. We have to keep our schools in which we study and surrounding where do we live clean, CLEAN, clean. Next one is we should put rubbish in the dash. We have to put rubbish in which thing? We have to put our rubbish in the dash. Definitely if you want to keep your room clean, if you want to keep your home clean, so you will have to put rubbish in the dustbin. You will have to write here D-U-S-T, dust, B-I-N, bin, dustbin. Okay students, I am going to repeat these blanks again. It will help you to understand. Dash is a part of our religion. You will write here cleanliness, C-L-E-A-N-L-I-N-E-S-S, cleanliness. Next one is dirty people are dashed by everyone. Dirty people are disliked, D-I-S, dis, L-I-K-E-D, liked. You will write here disliked. It means you don't like people that look dirty, they don't comb hair, they don't like to brush teeth, they don't wear clean clothes, so that is why these people look dirty. So you will have to write here dirty people are disliked by everyone. Germs are dash for us. I told you germs are very small living things that cause diseases. You can't see them germs, but germs are harmful, H-A-R-M, harm, F-U-L, full, for us, harmful for us. Next one is we should keep our home, schools and surrounding. You will have to write here C-L-E-A-N, clean. Next one is we should put rubbish in the dash. Where which thing you will have to put your rubbish? You will have to put your rubbish in the dustbin, D-U-S-T, dust, B-I-N, bin, D-U-S-T, dust, B-U-I-N, bin. Okay students, today you will have to write these fill in the blanks of lesson cleanliness in your notebook of GK. Thank you so much.